Morning and welcome back to my channel, guys. Happy Saturday. I have plenty of time to film a what I eat in a day video for you today, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that. As you can see right now, I have a rainbow of colors here on this cutting board. We've got some chopped up mushrooms, some heirloom tomatoes, yellow tomatoes. I've got a little bit of red sweet mini pepper here, and some red or purple onion. Now, having a variety of veggies like this will give you such great vitamins and minerals, all that you're looking for to start your day. So I take some cooking spray. This is just canola oil, and I'm spraying a skillet here so that I can saute my vegetables and get them all soft and bring out the flavors in them. I love to do this. I don't really prefer to add raw veggies to breakfast. Well, you're going to see what I'm going to make in just a minute. But I like them cooked, and I do cook them on a medium to high flame just so that we can get them caramelized pretty quickly, because I woke up really late today. It's been a heck of a week, guys. It's a heck of a week. So here we have 3 egg whites, 1 whole egg. The reason being is I want the high protein, but I really don't want a ton of fat. So having 1 egg with the yolk will give you the fat that you need and the high protein that I'm looking for with the 3 egg whites. Plus, 4 eggs in total is a lot of eggs, even though we're only using 3 whites. But this is a very, very filling breakfast. So scrambling them up. And then I'm about to add them into the skillet with the already cooked vegetables, which is the way I like to do it, like I said before. So here I am, and I like to use a whisk with the eggs because you can see it aerates it. You see the bubbles in there? It makes the omelet that I'm making really super fluffy. And sometimes I don't even decide to do an omelet. I start out that way, I cover the pan, but then I wind up just scrambling it. So I don't know how you guys like your eggs, but it all depends upon my mood. So I cover that. Now, to get some good carbs in, but not a lot of them, I choose these. These are the rice cakes. As you can see, each one of them only has 35 calories and I believe 7 carbs. That's it. So to add to my plate, I did put a Laughing Cow Light Swiss on top of there instead of cream cheese. And then I topped it with a little bit of strawberries and blueberries, and I decided to scramble up the eggs, guys, as you can see. But using the fresh fruit, it's 1 berry and 3 blueberries, gives you some sweetness that typically like a jelly or a jam would give you, but without all of the extras. It's just natural. And here's the sauteed veggies and the eggs, and what an amazing breakfast this is, you guys. If you've never had a rice cake with Laughing Cow and fresh fruit on top, you're missing out in life. I really would love you to try it, and leave a comment below if you have. And if you never did and tried it, leave me a comment so I know you tried it. All right, so here we are with our next meal. This is lunch. I'm going to take a combination of tuna fish, some Hellmann's low-fat mayo. As you can see, we're at 15 calories for a tablespoon, which is phenomenal. And then I'm going to add some dill pickle relish to a bowl and mix it up really well. And I did add some fresh black ground pepper to this, but I didn't show it on camera because you know what that looks like. But anyway, this is the base to what I am calling like an Asian fusion salad, and this is a bag of kelp noodles. You guys have seen this before. I get it on Amazon, and I like to rinse them first, and then I put them in a pot of water, and I bring it to a boil. I don't know what it doesn't change the texture. It's very crunchy, but it definitely gets rid of some of that sea salty flavor, so it really doesn't hold much of a flavor when I'm done boiling them. But I do like it because it's voluminous and it fills my tummy. And when you're eating low calorie, it's really, really good to eat voluminous. And here's the package again, the kelp noodles. If I flip it over, which I believe I did, yep, there you go. It shows you a couple of little recipes that you can make. And it also talks about iodine. This is a full serving of iodine. So you don't want to have more than 1 bag of these every couple of days. And this helps support your thyroid as you get older. Here you go. The macros are really, really light, and it's 18 calories for the whole bag. So once it's done boiling, I throw it in the colander. I rinse it off really, really well. And as you can see here, they are still kind of like this plastic consistency. I can't explain it, but they're really good, guys. They're crunchy. They're very, the texture is nice, I guess I want to say. So here I go. I throw them in a little bit of a bowl here, and to the noodles here, I have a really good way to get low calorie, but that Asian flavor, which is the Walden Farm Sesame Ginger Dressing. 0 calories for 2 tablespoons, but remember, that's only 2 tablespoons. If you use more than that, then you're going to have some calories. Nothing is 0. So here's the dressing on top of those noodles, and I like to mix them up really, really well with a fork, stir it around so that all of that flavor, that Asian sesame ginger flavor, gets on these noodles. And after I mix it up, I just take the tuna fish that I made before, and I add it right to the top of that. It wouldn't come out of the bowl, so in the next scene, you'll see it on top. But it really, the flavor of this, I know it sounds really weird because it has pickle relish and all that other stuff in it. It really kind of reminds me of a sushi altogether, because you got your fish, you got your healthy fat. It's not avocado, it's mayo, but you got your noodles that are kind of crunchy, and your sesame ginger dressing. And guys, I'm telling you, this is so delicious. And I remember taking a really good bird's eye view here with the camera of these noodles. Wait till you see them close up. They're really kind of creepy. They're like clear, see-through. And again, they have some texture to them. It's very odd the first time you try it, I have to be honest, but I'm obsessed. They're so good. They have a crunch to them, and they're so filling. So make yourself this dish, guys. I'm telling you, you won't go wrong. Snack time. So here we have 1 Honeycrisp apple, a small one, and 1 tablespoon of PB2. Beautiful snack. I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee with 1 tablespoon of creamer, and I'll see you at dinner time. Guys, so I'm out and about, and what a great day of relaxation. I have to tell you, it has been so nice. I am still in pajamas. I haven't even changed. I relaxed. I watched TV. Jess and I did a couple things around the house, but it has just been a day of chill. And having that apple and peanut butter before, I am like not even hungry, and it's getting late. And so I just wanted to show you, since I'm out and about, there's a little bit of hunger, but I don't want to go home and be like ravenous, because I won't be home for at least another hour or 2. So I've decided to open up my glove box, because I always keep bars here. And this is the chocolate cherry ganache bar from Optavia. So there's 110 calories in here. Quite a bit of protein, 11 grams. So this will be a great addition to my day. I'm still way under on my calories. So if this video ends here, this will probably be my last meal. If I decide to eat something later on, I'll try to stick it in, but I'm not really sure. I mean, it's getting late, and I can't foresee myself eating a large meal. Tomorrow, we have a lot going on, a lot of errands, a lot of fun stuff, so I'm hoping to vlog for you, and again, you'll be able to see what I eat in a day, but had a really good weight loss this week. Thursday is my weigh-in day. I was down almost 3 pounds. So this calorie counting has been going amazing, guys. Absolutely amazing. I feel good. The weight is coming off, and I absolutely love counting the calories right now. And on occasion, like you've seen during the week, the other morning I was running late for work, so I had a protein shake. I'm having a bar. You can incorporate these into your day if you need to. I think they're a great way, and it's great nutrition. So we're gonna go eat this, and like I said, if this is the end, this is the end. If not, you'll see later, and hopefully I can get the calorie count in there for you for my day, so you can see how today was just an under-eating day. I'm just not hungry. I don't know. All right, guys. So again, I love you. I'll see you in my next video, unless I eat another meal. Okay? So I'll see you either tonight or tomorrow. Bye, guys.